Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Remember to use my referral links in the description below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. Today I'm going to talk about trading options. Options contracts offer the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell the underlying asset at an agreed upon price during a certain period of time or on a specific date. Remember that trading options is very complex and risky, so understand the risk and know what you're getting into before exercising options. Let's take a look at the Spider S&P 500 ETF. This is an ETF that tracks 500 largest US companies and has very high volume. So in order to trade options, click on the trade button and then click trade options. So first thing you want to look at is which direction you want to trade this underlying asset. Do you think this will go up or down? And it shows what the current price is. The current price of SPY is at $279.36. And as I mentioned, keep in mind which direction you want this. You want to buy the option. So if you think it's going to go up, buy a call option similar to buying a stock. You want the price of the stock to go up, making your option worth more so you can profit. And if you think it'll go down, you'll buy a put option. It's similar to shorting a stock. And you want the price of the stock to go down, which will make your option worth more so you can profit. And definitely, like I mentioned, this is a very risky asset class, and definitely do your own research. So review the financials, fundamentals, and technicals of the underlying asset. And if you think it'll go up, buy a call option. And if you think it'll go down, buy a put option. So after deciding the direction you want, you would need to choose a strike price. So the strike price is the price at which derivative contract can be exercised. For call options, the strike price is where the security can be bought by the option buyer up till the expiration date. But for put options, the strike price is at the price at which shares can be sold by the option buyer. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, it shows what the strike price is next to expiration date. So in this case, high risk short term, 276.50 cents. This is 264. And Robinhood has some already preset options contracts you can buy. So it sets the direction as well as the strike price and expiration date. Or if you're more advanced in terms of trading options, you can select a specific date, the direction, as well as the strike price. So after choosing the direction and strike price, you need to choose an expiration date, which is the last day that the derivative is valid. On or before this day, investors would already have to decide what to do with their expiring position. So in this case, on March 1st, that's the expiration date. If you already had this options contract bought, then you have to decide whether you're going to exercise the contract or wait till it expires. And if I scroll down a little bit, you can also buy spreads. This is similar to buying a call, but it caps the gains in exchange for a higher probability of success and a lower maximum loss. And then you could also buy a put credit spread. It's more conservative than buying calls or call debit spreads because you can profit if the stock goes up or stays the same. It has a higher chance of profit but lower payout and higher total risk. So definitely understand your own risk tolerance before getting into trading options. And as I mentioned, options are powerful because they can enhance your portfolio and they can be used as an effective hedge against a declining stock market to limit the downside losses. And options can also be used to generate recurring income. Also, they are often used for speculative purposes such as wagering on the direction of a stock. That's all for this video. Would you trade options? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.